I have the Theraband Flexbar here today. This is the green one. It's like a medium level. It might actually be the heavy level, but I think it's a good medium. There's a red one below, and I think they make a yellow one that's easy. And then right above it, they have a blue one. But I'm gonna show you some exercises that you can do for your thumb for hand strengthening. So if you have an injury to your hand or your thumb muscles on either side here, you're noticing weakness, tingling, numbness. A lot of times part of the rehab process is doing some strengthening. And this is one of the best things to do hand, wrist, forearm strengthening with. So let's go through 3 exercises for the thumb that we can do with this. So the first one we're gonna do is thumb adduction, so adduction. That's where the thumb is moving towards the hand in this direction. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to grab it with it in between my fingers and my thumb up here towards the top, and I'm going to push my thumb over here towards my first finger. So you're not gonna get a ton of range of motion here. It's a really easy movement, but I can guarantee you, especially if you have an injury, that you're gonna have a little bit of weakness and fatigue with doing this. So just working into reps by moving your thumb towards his forefinger with the resistance of the Therabar is gonna be a really good exercise. The opposite of that is gonna be thumb abduction, so abduction. On that one, what we're gonna do is our thumb and our first finger are gonna be on the same side of this bar. Grab it towards the top here, and then we're gonna be moving our thumb away from our first finger. So starting here and then pushing this way. And you can see it's maybe only moving like a centimeter, a half an inch, something like that, not very far. But this one's gonna be difficult too. It's gonna help you work some of these muscles right here on the lateral thumb and into the wrist area. So just push through some reps and sets of this until you start to get fatigued. I would recommend doing both of these, probably one after another, and working them in consecutive sets, like doing a superset with them. Then the last one that we can do, so the third one, is gonna be thumb flexion. So with this one, you're gonna grab it here with your fingers. The thumb is gonna go right on the end, and then you're going to push the end of it towards your fingers with the surface of your thumb on this side. So just grab it here like you have your thumbs up, like you're giving a thumbs up, and then I want you to push, relax, push, relax. And remember, there's not a ton of movement here. Sometimes people are like, am I doing it right? Feels like nothing's happening. It looks like it's hardly moving. But know that it's gonna help you build some really good strength in your hand. It's a super good rehab exercise. There's a ton of other stuff you can do with this. I recommend you get one if you're having hand, arm, or wrist problems. And I'll put a link to it down below, and I'll also link some blogs and other videos that I have on the subject. But hopefully that was helpful, and have an awesome day.